dive right into the vibrant world of Cancun, Mexico, your ultimate travel destination. Nestled on the northeastern coast of the Yucatan Peninsula, this tropical paradise is a favorite among globetrotters. Its azure waters, white sandy beaches, and lively nightlife are just the tip of the iceberg. In this video, we'll explore Cancun's iconic landmarks, savor its local cuisine, and dive into its rich culture and activities. Get ready to embark on a journey filled with breathtaking views, delectable cuisine, and rich culture. Cancun, a city rich in history and nature, is home to several landmarks that are a must-visit. Among these, the El Rey Ruins, Tulum, and Cenote Dos Ojos stand out, each offering a unique slice of Cancun's history and natural beauty. Let's start with the El Rey Ruins. This archaeological site, located in the heart of Cancun's hotel zone, was once a thriving Mayan hub. Named after a mask found on site that was believed to represent the Mayan sun god, the El Rey Ruins are as much a history lesson as they are a sightseeing hotspot. Walking around, you'll see remnants of ancient structures and plazas, revealing a glimpse of the Mayan life that once thrived here. Next up, we have Tulum. Perched on a cliff overlooking the Caribbean Sea, Tulum is one of the best-preserved Mayan sites and a must-visit for history buffs. Here you'll find the iconic El Castillo, a grand structure that served as a beacon for incoming ships. The breathtaking sea views, combined with the historical significance of the site, make Tulum an unforgettable experience. Finally, we dive into the natural wonder that is Cenote Dos Ojos. Translating to two eyes, this cenote, or natural sinkhole, is a sight to behold. The crystal-clear waters offer a unique snorkeling and diving experience, letting you explore an underwater world of stalactites and stalagmites. But it's not just about the underwater beauty. The cenote also holds historical significance, with ancient Mayan artifacts having been discovered in its depths. However, these are just three of the many landmarks that Cancun has to offer. Each one holds a story, a piece of the city's history or natural splendor that's waiting to be discovered. From ancient Mayan ruins to stunning natural attractions, Cancun is a city that truly has it all. These landmarks offer a glimpse into Cancun's past, making them a must-visit for every traveler. So whether you're a history enthusiast or a nature lover, Cancun's landmarks promise an adventure that you won't soon forget. A trip to Cancun is incomplete without indulging in its local cuisine. The food here is as vibrant and diverse as the culture, and trying the local dishes is a must-do experience for any visitor. One such dish that has won hearts worldwide is tacos al pastor. This delicious delight is a classic Mexican dish that has its roots firmly embedded in the rich culinary traditions of the country. Picture pieces of thin, marinated pork slowly roasted on a spit, served on a warm corn tortilla, and topped with diced onions, fresh cilantro, and a splash of tangy pineapple. It's a melody of flavors that dances on your tongue, a symphony of taste that leaves you wanting more. And where to go for the best tacos al pastor in Cancun? Pay a visit to Tacos Rigo. This popular taco joint, known for its friendly atmosphere and mouth-watering tacos, is a favorite amongst locals and tourists alike. Next on our culinary adventure is chiles en nogada. This is a dish that tells a story, a dish that perfectly embodies the spirit of Mexican independence. The green poblano chiles, white walnut sauce, and red pomegranate seeds represent the colors of the Mexican flag. The flavors are as bold and vibrant as the country itself. You can savor this patriotic dish at La Habichuela, a restaurant known for its traditional Mexican cuisine and its enchanting ambiance. Lastly, we have pozole, a hearty and comforting soup that is a staple in Mexican households. Made with hominy corn, meat, and garnished with lettuce, chili peppers, radish, onion, lime, and oregano, it's a warm hug in a bowl. Mercado 23, a bustling local market, serves some of the best pozole in town. The market itself is a feast for the senses, with its vibrant colors, lively chatter, and tantalizing smells wafting from the food stalls. Cancun's local cuisine is a gastronomic delight that promises to tantalize your taste buds. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or someone who likes to experiment with flavors, the city's culinary scene is sure to leave you satiated and longing for your next bite. Cancun offers a plethora of activities for the thrill seekers and the leisure lovers alike. Imagine plunging into the azure waters of the Caribbean Sea, exploring the vibrant and diverse marine life of the great Mesoamerican reef. Snorkeling here is a must-do activity for anyone visiting Cancun. With over 65 types of stony coral and 500 species of fish, every dive is a new adventure. The best time to snorkel is from May to November, when the water is clear and the sea life is most active. The cost varies, but you can expect to spend around $30 to $50 for a half-day snorkeling trip, equipment included. For those who prefer to enjoy the company of marine life a bit more up close and personal, swimming with dolphins is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Dolphin Discovery Cancun offers several packages allowing you to interact with these intelligent, playful creatures. From a simple swim to a full trainer-for-a-day experience, prices range from $70 to $200. If you're more of a land dweller, Cancun's lush jungles offer an entirely different kind of thrill. Jungle tours are a fantastic way to explore the wild side of Cancun. You can zip line through the treetops, explore ancient Mayan ruins, or trek through the dense undergrowth on an ATV. These tours typically run from $60 to $120, and there's no bad time of year to experience the thrill of the jungle. Finally, for those who prefer a more laid-back vacation, Cancun's world-class spas offer the ultimate in relaxation and pampering. From beachfront massages to mud baths and thermal springs, these spas will leave you feeling rejuvenated and refreshed. Depending on the treatments you choose, a day at the spa can cost anywhere from $50 to $300, but it's worth every penny for the ultimate relaxation experience. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or a relaxation seeker, Cancun has something to offer for everyone. The heart of Cancun beats in its culture and its people. The vibrant local culture is a captivating blend of the ancient and the modern. It's a place where the deep-rooted Mayan heritage coexists harmoniously with the fast-paced urban lifestyle. Spanish is the language that paints the air, but don't worry if you're not fluent. The locals are incredibly friendly and patient, and many speak English too. The warmth and hospitality of the people of Cancun are legendary. They welcome visitors with open arms and hearts full of joy, eager to share their culture and stories. It's not uncommon to strike up a conversation with a local and leave feeling like you've made a friend. Cancun is a city that loves to celebrate. There are festivals and events throughout the year that visitors can participate in. The Cancun Jazz Festival is a must-visit for music lovers. Held annually in September, it attracts some of the biggest names in jazz. Then there's the Day of the Dead, a vibrant celebration of life and death, where locals decorate altars with flowers and candles and share food and stories in memory of their loved ones. So when you visit Cancun, don't just see the sights. Engage with the culture, learn some Spanish phrases, attend a local festival, and chat with the locals. Immerse yourself in the local culture and experience the true essence of Cancun. As we wrap up our journey, let's recap the must-visit places in Cancun. We've toured breathtaking landmarks that blend the old and new, from the ancient Mayan ruins to the modern architectural marvels. We've savored the delectable local cuisine with its mouth-watering mix of spicy, sweet, and savory flavors that dance on the tongue. We then plunged into the heart-stopping extracurricular activities, from snorkeling in the crystal-clear waters of the Caribbean Sea to zip-lining through the lush jungles. Lastly, we immersed ourselves in the vibrant culture and warm hospitality of the Cancun people, who welcomed us with open arms and open hearts. These are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the wonders of Cancun. From its historic landmarks to its scrumptious cuisine, from thrilling activities to its vibrant culture, Cancun is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be explored. So pack your bags and get ready to create unforgettable memories in Cancun, Mexico.